Good evening, Kalimanay.
We are the Waray-Waray Association of Tidewater Choir, and we're here to greet you all a happy holidays, Merry Christmas and happy holidays to you from the Waray-Waray. I just would like to let you know that last week the Waray-Waray Association of Tidewater had a fundraising for the typhoon victims in Samar, Leyte, and Biliran. We raised approximately $26,000 that night. Thanks to generous hearts of Hampton Roads, just like Lynn and Ronald, Paquito and Diana, and all your friends who are here tonight. And of course, Totoy's Restaurant, which is always a big supporter for us. And thank you for the heartfelt donation of cash and the delicious pancit from Totoy. As of tonight, we have already remitted directly to our Waray-Waray beneficiaries almost $20,000 of the $26,000 we have raised. We hope the little amount we sent will help rebuild lives. Thank you so much for allowing us to bring Christmas cheers to your family through some Christmas songs that we have prepared for you. And please sing along with us, and I hope you'll enjoy our music.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Ruffle, make sure you sing to the Ruffle right there. There.
Lubos na